no, tossing. Oh my God, here we go. I just knew it. I just knew it. As soon as I saw the ball go over the top and Unks is isolated, I said, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Because he's gonna let this brother have a bit too much space. He's gonna cut in and he's gonna clot him. That's what's gonna happen. Look, one ball over the top. If there's one person you don't want isolated, is Unks. Look at Unks. He's not going to get back in time. He's asking for support onto the right foot. Bang. How many times does this happen? How many times? We had this scenario earlier. Exactly the same scenario. It's deflected. It's unlucky to a degree. We had this scenario earlier and it literally nearly ended up just like that. Sake.
चलो को शायद वो पुल बैक करे और यार भाई ग्रेट बॉल ब्रेंटफोर्ड डायगोनल पास ओवर द टॉप भाई एक ही बंदा है गोल चलो भाई घंटा मैन Chelsea yet again in the derby are 1-0 down. Brilliant pass by Brentford on counter over the top pass and यही होता है when you play an inverting system. Brentford at home leading जो already difficult एक tie है हमारा in the difficult run of fixtures. They are, I think it's Shade who scored it, brilliant finish. लेकिन क्या बढ़िया pass था over the top.
Oh, what a ball. What a ball from Brentford. What a ball. Well, this is the thing about Tossen, man. Tossen, when it comes to 1v1 defending. Tossen, when it comes to 1v1 defending, man. It's, see, that was embarrassing. That was embarrassing defending, man. That really was embarrassing defending.
Is that Trevor
correct.
then? Oh, he's class, isn't he?
Here come Brentford. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a ball.
What a ball.
What a phenomenal
Brentford
ball
are
that
in.
is. They're in. Brentford are in. Brentford
They're
are
in.
Brentford 1-0.
Oh, they scored. 1-0.
What a fantastic goal
Fantastic
that was. That was a phenomenal counter.
Brentford has scored.
That was a phenomenal counter
That's a brilliant goal. That is how you do it. Kevin Schade has scored for Brentford. This is not what we wanted to see. It's a brilliant goal. Tosin was there, literally the last man defending it. And Kevin Schade has buried it beyond Sanchez. Sanchez can't do anything about that. It's a fantastic finish.
That is a counter-attack straight out of old school Chelsea.
Oh my word, what a ball forward this is. 1-on-1 here. Brentford are in. Goal. Unbelievable, man. From absolutely nothing, they've hoofed it up the pitch. It's a great ball. Schade, as soon as he was a one-on-one with whoever it was, either Chalobah or Tosin, had him on toast. Had him on absolute toast. Sanchez completely rooted to the spot.
Yes! Come on! Cole Palmer! Yes! Come on! Come on!
Come on, get in, boy! Chelsea. Cole Palmer ने create किया, Cole Palmer ने score किया. Cole Palmer भाई ठंड लग गई भाई आज.
Cole Palmer! Benchut! Benchut! Come on, Cole Palmer! Come on! Let's go, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We'll go for the winner now. Go for the winner.
Ball
Go on,
in,
Enzo. Clipped
back
in.
post.
Pedro. Go on.
Yes! He did it! Cole Palmer! He's back! Yes! Come on! Come on!
Palmer!
Let's go!
Yes, lads. Go on, lads. Go on, lads.
Come on!
Yes, boy.
Absolute limbs!
Come on!
Absolute limbs!
Palmer again, ole ole! Palmer again, ole ole!
Get the crowd. Get the crowd. Get the crowd.
So Cole Palmer! There we go! There's the goal! Really well worked. I was dubious. I was skeptical about bringing him on. But Enzo Maresca, seemingly, as it always goes, knows best.
Oh, unlucky. That was the cutback.
Yes! Yes! Come on! Moises Caicedo! That's my general! That's my midfield general right there! Oh my days, what a strike! Yo, he said whatever the others can do, I can do better. It's not only one holding midfielder hitting from range today. Come on! Moises Caicedo!
और वापस से रिबाउंड come on it's a banger Moses Caicedo है ना किसका है भाई बैंगर किसका है भाई फॉजिल चालो what a goal भाई what a goal Chelsea
Caicedo, I think.
come on Chelsea Garnacho by putting in a brilliant low cross.
Garnacho. Yes. Oh, that was a good ball from Garnacho. Have a dig, son. Go! Yes! Ah! Caicedo! Banchots, you guys in the live chat, you guys are all banchots. You guys are all... Shervin, I saw what you wrote literally moments ago. We're not...
Skin him.
Garnacho.
Skin him.
Garnacho.
Take him on.
Garnacho.
Come back. Oh, my foot. Come on. Shoot. Shoot. What a goal!
What a belter! Oh my God!
Who scored that?
Who scored? Who scored?
Was that Caicedo?
Caicedo! Mate, yes! Amazing!
But it is Caicedo! It's a fantastic goal! Absolutely smashes it in! Unbelievable!
Don't you dare. Clear this!
Come on, man! What are we doing on these long throws? Is this the Britannia?
It's just disgusting. Look at the state of it.
Oh no. नहीं गोल आएगा वहां आ गया भाई फार पोस्ट में आ गया and we have got effed. It is Fabio Carvalho, Liverpool ex player. थ्रो इन से हमने कंसीड किया गाइस खत्म है.
Another one of those long throw-ins. These long throw-ins, man. These long throw-ins. This Carvalho kid out of nowhere. These long throw-ins, man. This nonsense long throw-ins, man. Look at this nonsense. Garnacho, where are you, brother, bro? Where are you, Garnacho, man?
Oh, they're going to try and Rory delap it. They're going to try and pull in.
What did he do?
Get rid! Oh no.
2-2.
I can't believe that's happened.
Oh, you know what? You gotta just laugh at it. You know, we gotta laugh. We gotta just laugh. Like there's nothing more to say than laugh at that.
Oh my God, they scored. The long throw, man. The long throw. Oh, it's a open goal, man. How is Sanchez? What's your positioning, you stupid bolt twat? Oh, it's Sanchez again, man. It's Sanchez again. He's got to off. He has to go.